In this video, I'll show you how to make a dashboard for Notion. This video is only for educational purposes only, so open up your Notion. So we want to create a new workspace dashboard. So you're going to just tap on this. You're going to be able to see new workspace. So you can see there's a previous one here. So I'm going to tap on new workspace. So you're going to be asked this. So you can select for work, for better life, for school. So I think most people, they use for work or for personal life. So if you want to create a new dashboard for yourself, I think you go with, like if you want for your personal self, you can use personal life. If you want for work, you can go with work. But most people, they go with for work. So I'm going to tap on for work. It's going to load up now. I'm going to go to next. So I just created a dashboard for myself. And if I go to the new template, so this is it. So I'm going to go back. So I just created a new template for myself. So this is it. So this is the third one. So you can just come on here and type in my plans. So you need to go back. So you can be able to see it here. Like this is it. So I can come on here, pray to God. Pray to God. Love my family. So this is it. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe.